What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So as you can tell by the title of this video, the Audi is broken once again. Welcome to that world right there. 4 rings. So basically what is going on, if I can, whoa, what the, this is just not easy today. Nope, okay. So basically what's going on is I'm having the driver's side cat O2 sensors read rich, so the car isn't running properly and it sounds terrible, and I'm kind of worried that I'm getting some like clogging on the driver's side and it's causing all the heat in the exhaust to go back up towards the engine, and that just causes absolute like serious damage to the valves, and I don't want to have any more issues with it. So I basically have the car parked until I can get test pipes in. So I ordered JHM test pipes. They are in the fabrication process. They are made to order, is what I was told. Should take about 2 to 8 weeks is what they told me. So hopefully it's on the shorter end of that and I don't have to wait 2 months to get this car back on the road. But in the meantime, I'm basically just going to do some small maintenance with it. I'm going to go ahead and look under the car, maybe do the DSG flush again. I'm also going to do a rear differential fluid change as well, just because I have the sport diff, and apparently it's better to change those at shorter intervals than the regular differential, which a lot of manufacturers say it's a lifetime fluid, which I would never agree with on anything. Basically I'm going to do some overall like detailing the car, polish the exhaust, kind of I guess go around the car, do like a full like really deep clean, get any like the imperfections out, as well as I have a few dings around that are kind of like hidden. One's on the fender and then another one on the back door. So I'm trying to get those out, as well as like try and fix the fading on the rear carbon lip. Try and fix that. And there's just like a few things that I'm kind of forgetting right now, but I'm going to go over in other videos. So don't think the Audi's done. I'm going to still make videos, and stay tuned for the next one.